My name is Syed Ahmad Ahmed, and today we'll continue our discussion on algorithm designing. And we have already discussed the various steps of problem solving, which starts from problem visualization, then identifying the outputs and inputs, and then designing the algorithm, and starting with the basic idea, then transforming it into a pseudocode, then flowchart testing, and finally converting it into a code. So let's see what we have today. So today we'll be discussing the various algorithm building blocks. We've already discussed the sequence building block. So today we'll be discussing the selection building block. Alright, so the selection building block basically is used when you have various different scenarios. In sequence building block, we have certain set of statements which will definitely be executed. But in the selection building block, certain statements are executed and certain statements are not executed. So based on a particular something called a condition. In plain English, in daily life English, we also call such things condition. So for example, talking about a daily life example, it is raining outside. So this is a condition, whether it's raining or not. Similarly, it's sunny outside. Um, and we can think of multiple examples. For example, the class is boring, all right, and I love coffee. I want to drink coffee. The cafeteria is open, and so on. So conditions are basically certain uh, expressions used in our algorithms, which can either be true or false. So based on those conditions, we decide which statements to execute and which to not. So to understand this, let's look at an example. Let's look at an example of a simple dice game. We are all familiar with dice. We have played certain board games in which we have used various dice. So dice is a cube having six sides, and it has numbers 1 to 6 on each side. So a simple rolling a dice game. So this is a problem that you have to roll dice, and this is the rules of the game. That if the face value is 6, so face value we call the value which is on the top of the which is when we roll dice, it lands on having a certain value facing upwards, so facing on the top. So that top value is called the face value. So if the face value is 6, the player wins, otherwise the player loses. So pretty simple. So pretty simple game. So now let's look at how we'll design the algorithm for this game.